Welcome and thank you for joining me for another Material Handling Minute with Chuck. I'm here at the BHS production facilities in St. Louis to talk with you about the exciting new FP3 option available on WTCs and ATCs. The purpose of the FP3 is to allow multi-entry points for either a counterbalance truck or a host electric pallet truck. The side entry with a counterbalance truck will allow you to go down a center narrow aisle and pull batteries from either right or left. Move with me now over here to the rear of the unit and I'll show you the electric pallet truck entry. Notice that the fork pockets are set up to allow for entry from a 27 by 48 inch, 9 inch wide host electric pallet truck fork spec. Also, we will include the tongue kit I've showed here, includes all hardware. This mounts here and then will be positioned under the battery box on the host pallet truck, not allowing any movement of the unit during battery extraction. Another option that you may want to consider is on the AT units is the QDY quick disconnect for tapping into the power of the battery on the host pallet truck to run the hydraulics. Again, complete your product request form, get it to your inside sales rep at BHS. And with every product at BHS, please remember that we've got inside sales support and aftermarket support, which is available 24/7, 365. And we thank you for joining us for this Material Handling Minute with Chuck.